at the Boys and Girls Club, and all the club members have arrived. It seems a child is being bullied. Let's watch and see.
Can you get off the computer?
My time is not up yet.
So you don't even know what you are doing.
Yes, I do. Leave me alone.
No, I don't have to, crybaby.
I'm not a crybaby. You are.
Your mama a crybaby.
No, she's not. That's me. I'm telling Mr. Bobby.
Go to timeout. 10 minutes. Think about what
Be quiet.
While in timeout, Tatiana starts thinking of same way to take it back. But can she? Why did you open her phone? There you go.
Man, my choice of words really hurt Daviana. When I get out of timeout, I'm going to apologize. Maybe she will accept my apology.
Sit down.
And we can become friends.
After timeout, Tatiana went right up to Daviana and apologized. Daviana did accept, and then the two tried their hardest to not be the end.
Okay.